Today we have started a robot cop here. We have named it as ASC Arjun. So ASC Arjun is first of its kind, the RPF RoboCop who will be deployed at the Visakhapatnam station. It is first of its kind in the Indian Railway. This Robocop to start with has various features. It can move around on a predefined geo-fencing area and path, and it can do the surveillance. It is an AI enabled, so it has the predefined. We can always put the predefined photographs of the suspect people, be it the criminals or any other persons which are of a suspect nature, and the Robocop while moving will keep on detecting, and as and where he gets an information, he will raise the alarm to the control center, which is provided at the Visakhapatnam railway station. This will also have a feature where it will help the passengers with a passenger goodwill gestures, as you have seen. To start with, it provides a sort of a salute and other things, so that the people also get very friendly with it. It has a feature that when it is moving on the station, it can be of various help, observing the maintenance activities which are going on. At the same time, the observing what are the cleanliness level at the station, it will keep on raising alarm. And as we have seen, if there is some fighting between the passengers going on, any abnormal activities which at the station is having, and which should not be done in a civilized manner, will be observed by it, detected by the RoboCap, which is ASC Arjun, and it will be relayed to the control room so that the reactive reaction can be immediately taken. There are various places where it is difficult for the force to be sent. The Robocop has the potential to reach to those areas and do the surveillance activities, because there are places where many a time it is not, say, when we have all seen the COVID situation. So such kind of a situation, or a situation where we say find that there is a threat to human life, then the Robocop can always go there and do those RPF activities and monitor the suspicious activity. So this is one feature. Apart from that, there are various other features. With me is the IG RPF, who has come all the way from Bhubaneswar. This all idea which came from him and the senior DSC Sri Ajay Dubey, and the team has worked, divisional team has worked over a last 1 year along with the executing agency to come out with this result. This is a preliminary result, and we will keep on developing with more and more data coming up, and more features will be added, and we will add such more in coming futures into the various other stations as well.
Sir, why such is Arjun name?
Yeah, Arjun name. It is actually you. If you go back, actually this idea originated during Corona times. We had issue of that social distancing, and we had to protect our staff during Corona days. So one of our officers, when I gave him that idea, and we were really grateful to him that he developed it, and we named it Captain Arjun at the time. Arjun stands, it's an acronym basically. It stands for always be responsible and use it to be nice. So the basic purpose at that time was to detect the temperature through temperature gun, dispense sanitizer and masks, and make basic announcements to take care about your health. But after that, we always had this thing in mind कि we should develop a robot which is a force multiplier, and which gives you railways, which gives us an edge in these times. So we have solar powered cameras now, we have drones now, GPRS trackers, and this was the fourth thing. And I must compliment Mr. Ajay Dubey and his team, who have really worked very hard with Robo Couplers Limited, and DRM Shri Lalit Bora, who was really following it up like anything to make it happen. So this is just a technological demonstration, and we all dream about Viksit Bharat, and we have to work towards it. So in coming years, I am sure we will have these robots in many places at many stations, and it is really giving immense inputs to our all departments of railways, whether it is cleanliness, whether it is safety, whether it is security, whether it is passenger announcement, you name it, and you will have it. So it's a great, you can say, technological enabler and force multiplier to our entire railway system. And the copyright is with Indian Railways.
This will have.
The cyber problems are the more on the present situation. Is it if it is supporting to the cyber security?
Absolutely. It's a force multiplier. If we have the data, it can help us if somebody has committed some fraud in some part of the world, in some other country, and in the trains. So if we have the data and it is put in the FRS system of robot, we can very well detect it. We can alert any police station anywhere.
When it detects the people, it can really find out
From the data.
that yes, these peoples are regularly coming by these trains, they are taking this path, these are their movements, and by observing these movements, it can always raise us an alarm. Similarly, there are few people who come to station who do the stealing activities. So the data coming up and data getting analyzed by AI is the theme of the day. Now everywhere we are talking about AI, and this is one example where all these datas will be analyzed by the AI, all these pictures will be analyzed, and accordingly we can raise an alarm, and the RPF which is standing at the station can immediately take action against those culprits.
What is the cost of Robocop?
Around 21 lakhs.
So since it is a first of its kind, so it's about 20 lakh, but we do expect that more and more things we will do it, because you see, when any startup do these activities, the initial costs are high, but over a period of time the cost will also go down.
Where was this developed?
So it was developed in this city of destiny, Visakhapatnam.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's a made in India.
Vocal for
The
local.
Entire products are made in India.
Vocal for local.
Yes.